Because Mooresville's got shoreline on what lake? Lake Norman. The most party hard lake in the nation. I ain't got a high-powered motor. I don't own a wakeboard. I got a 1970 Martin guitar and an outdoor carpet dance floor. I got burgers on the grill and beer on ice, and I'll probably be seeing you soon. I ain't making no waves, I ain't starting no fights, just cruising on my pontoon. All I need is me and my girl, parked in the cool in the glow of the moonlight, making love on my pontoon boat on a Carolina Saturday night. Wake up in the morning, hitting golf balls off the back, jump off the side, you know I'm doing a gainer, and take me a Lake Norman bath. I ain't wearing a pair of board shorts, cause Walmart suits me fine. I kinda like the mesh, holding my balls reminds me of another time, back when it was me and my girl, walked in a cool in the glow of the moonlight, making love on my pontoon boat on a Carolina Saturday night. I can't loan you a fancy ski vest, but I got a couple orange life jackets. I ain't tying up with none of them pretty boy boats. I can't stand that Jack Johnson faggot. I don't get in a lot of trouble, but I had a few misdemeanors. And hell no, I don't watch racing no more. It ain't the same since we lost Senior. All I need is me and my girl, parked in a curve in the glow of the moonlight, making love on my pontoon boat on a Carolina Saturday night. All I need is me and my girl, parked in a curve in the glow of the moonlight, making love on my pontoon boat on a Carolina Saturday night.